Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Brand plus Dawn. Brandon. T plus Arctic plus off. Tartikoff. Brandon Tartikoff. If you could do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, team. Hi, everyone, and welcome again to our show. Brandon Tartikoff, of course, the former head of NBC Television. A little way of Classic Concentration sending out good wishes to him and wishes for a speedy recovery. He had a very serious automobile accident a few months ago. All right, let's welcome our returning player, our champion, the lady on my right. Her name is Quinette Adams. Welcome back, Quinette.
Thank you.
And Quinette is the mother of a 15-month-old baby boy.
Yes.
Whose name is?
Jahi.
Jahi. All right.
Yes.
Maybe that'll bring you some luck today. We'll see. Your opponent is this newcomer to our program. Let's hear it for Dave Peck.
Hi, Alex.
David, welcome aboard.
Thank you very much.
Where are you from?
I'm a senior at USC. I'm originally from Orange County.
Senior at USC. I was going to say, I was just looking at your hair and I was saying, this guy plays football, do you?
I did, not anymore.
Not anymore? You got smart, huh?
Knees gave out.
Oh, your knees gave out already?
Well, not that much, but it's a good excuse.
Yeah, you bet. Take a look over here. If you guys are into traveling, then you will love this prize.
Sail, sun, snorkel, or snooze. Decisions, decisions. And you'll have plenty to make because there's lots to do on the warm waters of Jamaica. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Montego Bay, and you'll spend 6 nights in the luxurious Holiday Inn Montego Bay Beach Resort on a white sand Caribbean beach. Fine dining, dancing, and entertainment with the warm hospitality of Jamaica, furnished by Holiday Inn Montego Bay Beach Resort. Alex.
Jamaica, man. Jamaica. Dave and Quinette, take a look at our board. We'll show you where that vacation can be found. Dead center. All right, Dave, you are the newcomer, and so you get to pick first.
Thank you very much, Alex. I'd love to go to Jamaica. Let's try number 5.
Green take.
Take and work. And how about behind number 21?
Ladies swimwear collection. Quinette.
I'd like to see that corner number 1.
Handcrafted area rug.
Number 15 for the match, please.
Silver punch bowl set. No, David.
We'll go to the bottom right-hand corner with number 25.
Rope hammock.
Well, I can lounge around. And how about number 11?
Rope hammock. He made the match, just like that. No need for a wild card. Let's swing these 2 panels open for Dave Peck.
Is it fiberglass trout?
Is it fiberglass trout? They teach you that at USC, do they, Dave? Ready? Fiberglass trout.
Let's start in the middle
Tough
of the bottom.
to eat.
Number 23.
Green take.
And up in the right-hand corner, number 5.
Green take. Match for you.
Excellent.
Twist them open. Select again.
Still too early. How about lucky number 7?
Video cassette recorder.
That would be nice. And right above it, a number 2.
Red take. No match. Quinette.
Can I see number 14?
Ladies swimwear.
And was that under number 22?
Think so. Oh, darn. I thought incorrectly. Sorry about that. Dave.
I believe the swimwear is under number 21. And we'll make a match under number 14.
14 and 21 work for you. Yes. Interesting that you remembered exactly where the ladies' swimwear was. Open these 2 panels for Dave. Select again.
All right. How about number 20?
Wild card.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. And let's go right to the center of the board with number 13.
13 is the Jamaica vacation line. Jamaica. The other one. Huge indeed. Number 3. Middle column. 2 panels opening up and 1 at position number 20. Let's do it. Select again.
All right, let's go with number 6.
Wild card again.
Excellent, excellent.
Gwinnett is not looking very happy about the way things are working out so far, but it's still early in this game. Dave, what are you going to put that wild card to work with?
Let's open up the board with number 9.
9 is a gold bracelet. The other gold bracelet at number 17. 3 doors opening again for Dave Peck. Keep going.
All right, let's try number 2.
Red take.
All right, I know we've seen that. Let's take a peek at number 15.
No, that's the silver punch bowl set. Gwinnett.
Number 18.
Handcrafted area rug.
And the match at number 1.
Number 1, I believe, is correct. Yes. There you go. That match earns you a chance at solving the puzzle, Gwinnett. Can you do it?
Not yet.
All right, then select again.
Number 7.
Video cassette recorder, and there's still a wild card up there on the board.
Okay, let's see that. Wild card number 19.
No, but the video cassette recorder is
even
there.
better.
That's even better. You don't waste a wild card. It might help you on the next selection, but right now we'll open these 2 panels. Select.
Number 24.
Red take.
And was that under number 10?
No, that's a ceiling fan. Dave.
All right, Alex, let's go with number 2.
Red take.
And number 24 for the match.
Red take.
I'd like to go ahead and steal away your VCR.
All righty.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Take the VCR away from Gwinnett. Put it on Dave's side of the prize columns, and now open these 2 panels. Go again.
All right, let's go with number 22.
Ceiling fan.
And I believe the match is under number 10.
Right. You got the other take.
I might as well take that handcrafted rug.
Might as well, although it doesn't seem to appeal to you all that much. It is a lovely addition to any home. Let's open these 2 doors.
Alex, is it a minor detail?
Looks like it. A minor detail. And it's a major win for Dave Peck. Come on, Dave, let's go to the board.
Well, Alex, right here we have the farmer with his hay. That's hay. Over here by the mine, it's the miner guy, so it's A minor.
A minor guy.
D with the letter D. And the kite gave me some trouble. I thought it was kite, but it's the tail of the kite. So it's A minor detail.
A minor detail, dude. All right, come on in here. Gwinnett, second strike against you, but you are going away with the rocking chairs, the stereo. You're going away without $1,354 in prizes. Thank you for being with us here on...
Thank you. Had a
Take care.
wonderful time.
All right, Davey. You've won a lot of prizes. Steve's going to tell you about them. You did well, yes.
A rope hammock, a ceiling fan, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a ceiling fan or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise, and a ladies' swimwear collection. See Fashions of California, sensational bikinis and mayos in a wonderful assortment of fabrics and colors. Swimsuits to make you look and feel terrific, furnished by See Fashions of California, and the handcrafted area rug. You may add a touch of the Southwest to your home with a beautiful handcrafted cotton durry rug in special custom colors designed for this collection, furnished by EMSA International, and a video cassette recorder. Magnavox remote control VCR with on-screen display is smart, very smart. Easily programs up to 4 events with the 45-function remote control, furnished by Magnavox, and a gold bracelet. Today's fashion elegance, a triple strand braided bracelet, a highly polished finish of Italian 14-karat gold from the Michael C. Fina Company, and of course, exciting Jamaica. And David, you have prizes totaling a big number, $4,468.
Big win for his very first game for Dave Peck. And when we come back, we'll see how well he does in the car round. You've been practicing this round at home?
I have been practicing, yes.
You feel comfortable?
As comfortable as I can be.
All right.
Let's do it.
You don't have to worry about an opponent, just these 15 numbered squares and the clock. The clock is your enemy. 35 seconds. Good luck. Go to work.
Thank you. 1, 2.
No.
4, 5.
No.
7-8.
No.
7-5.
Right.
10-11.
No.
13-14.
No.
14-4.
Yes.
3-6.
No.
6-11.
Yes.
3-13.
No.
3-10.
Yes.
8-9.
No.
8-1.
No.
8-2.
No.
12-15.
No.
12-2.
I think maybe the 213 was the combination.
Yeah, I think you're
Justy,
right. I think you're right.
you missed that, but you're cruising along beautifully. But you've got $4,468, which is very good for just one game. You have no losses, so you're going to be around for a while. We'll take a break.
All right.
Dave Peck from USC, good player, won that first game, and now he faces the challenge of JJ, Joy Johnson. Hello, Joy Johnson.
Hi, how are you?
Now, you look young enough to be in school still, are you?
Yes, I'm a college student.
Where?
At OCC, Orange Coast College. It's a junior college by where I live.
I see. When you get past junior college, what are you going to major in?
Liberal studies.
Liberal studies, with a view to doing what? Being a teacher?
Elementary school teacher.
Good for you. We need good teachers. Take a look over here. Great addition to your home.
Gibson's Frost Clear Refrigerator Freezer with features designed to make food storage easier and more convenient than ever before. Furnished by Gibson. Alex.
Thank you, Marjorie. You handled yourself very well in front of that refrigerator. Joy and Dave will show you where you find the refrigerator freezer. It's at number 22. Just the one wild card in this game, Joy. You're going to get to pick first. We've got the 5 bonus seconds. We've got $600 in the cash pot and an Arizona golf and tennis resort vacation.
All right.
So you've got your choice of 2 sports, probably some horseback riding as well. You select.
Okay, let's start with number 13 right in the middle.
Diamond and topaz
I
pendant.
love that diamond topaz pendant under number 5 for the match.
This lady's ready to do business. Look at this. Chinese porcelain lamps. No match. Dave.
All right, Alex, let's go up with the left-hand corner, number 1.
Red take.
Red take, love that. The other corner, 25. There we go.
Red take. Look at that. He knows how to do it. There it is.
Beautiful.
Open it up for him.
Nope.
Select again.
Right next door, number 2.
Green take.
Green take. Well, let's try the next logical choice, number 24.
Logical, but it didn't work this time. Refrigerator freezer's there.
All
Joy.
right, let's see number 22, please.
Refrigerator freezer.
And that refrigerator freezer under number 24 for the match.
You are correct.
All right.
Let's do it. Open it up.
No.
Select again.
Number 8, please.
Chocolate lover's dream.
Ooh, let's get a whole bunch of chocolate under number 14.
Whole bunch.
Whole bunch.
Nope. Arizona Golf and Tennis Resort Holiday. Dave.
I'd love to travel down to Arizona. Let's try to find that under number 11.
Assorted parlor games.
All right, I'm a game player. Across the board, number 15.
Assorted parlor games. Boy, every time you go to the opposite end of the board, it works out for you, Dave. You've got the tape. Joy has the refrigerator freezer.
I'd like that refrigerator, as a matter of fact, Alex.
All right. Wonder what you guys will be putting in it.
With my appetite, I'll have no trouble emptying it, I'm sure.
Okay. Let's open these 2 panels for you, Dave, and see if you can solve this puzzle. Yeah, we're still flirting with the perimeter of this one.
Exactly.
Select a game.
How about number 10, Alex?
Cookware set.
All right, and let's go right below it with number 20.
Chinese porcelain lamps. No match, but we have seen those, I believe.
Let's see under number 13.
Diamond topaz pendant.
And the match for that under number 16.
No. Chocolate lover's dream. Dave.
Have we peered under door number 5?
We will peer under there now.
All right, and I love the Chinese porcelain lamps under door number 20.
Yes.
There we go.
Dave has practice, folks. Believe me. You don't get to be this good without working out at home. Open the panels for him. Pick again.
All right, let's try lucky door number 14.
Arizona Golf and Tennis Resort Vacation.
Excellent. We've seen that. I don't know if it was under 14 before, but let's try number 7.
5 bonus
Ooh,
car seconds.
would
No.
help.
Joy.
Okay, I want that chocolate under number 8, please.
Right?
All right, and the match for that under number 16.
There you go. You lost the prize a moment ago. You replaced it with the chocolate, and now you get a look at the puzzle. Select.
Number 13, please.
Diamond and topaz pendant.
Keep going back to that. Let's see if the match number 21.
No. Sofa. Dave.
Right at the top of the puzzle, number 23, Alex.
Wild card.
The bottom of the puzzle, rather. And let's try to grab that Arizona golf and tennis vacation under number 14.
14 it is, and the match we were looking for it a while ago is at number 17. 3 panels opening for you, Dave. Pick again.
All right. Let's try number 4, Alex.
Diamond and topaz pendant.
Okay, I believe that's right in the middle of number 13.
Yep.
Excellent.
Joy was coming up with that a few times. All the prizes but one in your column, Dave. Can you solve the puzzle now? Select again. Whoa, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. Get ready to ring in. We'll start revealing with number 2, 3, 6, 7, 9, 10, 12, 18, 19, 21. Study it carefully. Dave?
An all-out effort.
An all-out effort, he says, giving it his best shot, and he is right. Come on to the board, Dave.
Well, we started up here with and. That was tough to see because it was hidden most of the game. Came back here with the all, the tool, and all. Right here, the umpires seem to be saying out and all out. The F plus the fort is effort, an all-out effort.
All-out effort. You came through with an all-out effort, and it worked for you. Joy, 1 strike only. We'll see you in the
I'll be
next
back.
game. You bet. Dave, let's hear about the prizes. You've got another big win. Gene, tell them.
Assorted parlor games and Chinese porcelain lamps. Murray Feiss's exquisite hand-painted on porcelain lamps from China shine through hand-sewn fabric shades on solid brass neck and finial. Furnished by Murray Feiss and a diamond topaz pendant. Part of South Dakota Gold Company Gemstar jewelry line, this octagon cut 9-carat blue topaz is accented with 3 diamonds, making a bold fashion statement. Furnished by South Dakota Gold Company and an Arizona Gold and Tennis Resort. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Arizona. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding. And while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines, and you'll spend 6 nights at the Registry Resort Scottsdale, nestled in the awe-inspiring Arizona landscape. Features golf, tennis, and over 300 elegantly appointed rooms furnished by the Registry Resort. And, of course, the handsome refrigerator freezer. And, David, your all-out effort got you prizes worth $3,615.
I said another big win, 2 in a row for Dave Peck. And when we come back, we'll see how well he does with the cards. Time in the winner's circle, but he looks so comfortable, it's as if he's been here many, many times in the past. Let's put the 15 numbers up there and put him to work with 40 seconds on the clock.
All right, let's get him.
Hang on, there you go.
Okay.
Good luck.
Thank you. Number 1, 2,
No,
4, 5,
no,
7, 8,
no,
7, 2,
yes,
10, 11,
no,
10, 8,
no,
10, 5,
yeah,
13, 14,
no,
13, 4,
right,
3, 6,
no,
8, 9,
no,
9, 6, 11, 12, 11, 3,
right,
14, 15, 14, 6, 14, 9,
yes,
1, 6,
no.
8, 12.
Were you trying to play for the Wrangler?
I wasn't trying to play for the Wrangler, but that would have been the nice
It would
card.
have been nice. All right, you've got $8,000 in prizes, and you will continue as our champion on concentration. Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Vitamix stainless steel 3-minute bread maker and home yogurt factory that juices without waste, cooks without burning, freezes instant ice cream, and offers 800 other recipes. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Regular fans of Classic Concentration, and especially if you were watching yesterday, you will recall that I said we develop a sense of family here with regard to this program, and we like to honor and acknowledge special events. The gentleman over here to my left is the head of wardrobe on this program. Alan Mills is his name. We're bringing him out today because it's his birthday. And happy birthday to Alan. Not only is he the man that keeps me looking so good in all of my suits, but he's a good friend. We've worked together now for at least 8 years. And happy birthday to you, Alan.
Thank you.
Many happy returns. I'm not going to ask how old you are. We'll say goodbye. Dave will be back. Margie will be back. Alan and I will be back, too, next time.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.